Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add social media icons, announcement bar, and Shopify. Let's get started. In order to do that, we just need to head over and click on this customize button right here. And then once you have done that, you should be able to see the Shopify editor. Now on the Shopify editor, you can see in here an amount set bar. So let's click on this announcement bar right here. And then in here, you should be able to see the social media icons. So make sure that this show icons on desktop is turned on just like this. And when you scroll down, you should be able to see some more settings. Click on this theme settings right here, and under the theme setting, you should be able to see all of this. So as you can see, I have added here in a Facebook store, which is a Facebook link for my store on Facebook. And then you can also add in here an Instagram link if you want. So for example, you add in here an Instagram link. So let's head over and add that. Then once you have added this link, in just a few seconds, another Instagram store or Instagram app icon will show in here. So before this shows, make sure that you save this right here. As you can see, it's been shown. So after that, save this progress that you have created and you should be ready to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.